How to log out of the Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. If you want to know how to log out of your Bumble account, over here in this interface, at the bottom right, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. Once you are in your profile page, next up, you need to tap on the settings gear icon in the top right. Now you will be prompted to this settings page. Scroll down to the bottom, and over here, you can see this logout button. You can simply tap on this logout button in order to log out of your account in Bumble app. So if you tap on it, it'll ask you for your reconfirmation if you really want to log out of Bumble. Make sure that you remember your password, so if you want to re-log into your account, you can easily log in again. So once you are sure to log out, you can simply tap on this logout button and you'll be logged out of your Bumble account. So that's it. That's how you can easily log out of your Bumble app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.